Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix devices and printers not open or not loading error. It is a very easy and simple process to fix this issue. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and type services and click on the services. In services, find Bluetooth services, find Bluetooth services. Here we find three things: Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth support and Bluetooth user. If you find two, then it is okay. First of all, go to the Bluetooth first option, right click on it, click on the properties and make sure it is automatic or manually. Go to the automatic, it is stopped, click on apply. Service status is stopped, click on the start, wait for a few seconds, click on apply. Second is the Bluetooth support services, right click on it, click on the properties. It is automatic but service status is stopped. Make sure it is start, click on start. Now it is running, click on OK. Last is the Bluetooth user support, right click on it, click on the properties. If it's manual and running, then it is okay. If you want to set automatic, then set automatic and click on apply and OK. I go with the manual and running, click on OK and go to the close it. After that, go to the start and go to the control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, go to the category to large icons. Go to the devices and printers. And this time devices and printers is perfectly open in our PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simplest problem on our PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.